Hey everybody, how's it going? Jonathan here. In this video, we're going to feed some funny phrases into the OpenAI image creator and then and see what OpenAI gives back to us. I've done this a couple of times before and the responses are hilarious. So to get this set up, if you're doing this at home, I'm running PyCharm and I'm running this library called OpenAI. The actual implementation is super easy. All you need is after you set your API key, of course, all you need is this, and then you print out the response, and it gives you these links. So we do response equals openai.image.create. We pass in the prompt, the number of results, and the image size, and it gives us back a response with what we're looking for. So let's start with this one called Chuck Norris applying for a driver's license. And we're going to take a look at 5 unique, never before seen images of Chuck Norris applying for a driver's license, and sometimes they're hilarious. I'm just opening up 5 right there. Okay. I've done this exact phrase before, and it's still hilarious. He's like, how do I open this thing? He's like, please give me my driver's license. But why does he look so beautiful? With such nice flowing hair, no gray. He's like, license please. Look at the forehead. I don't know what's up with the language, but it's really funny. Oh, let's see what else we got. Chuck Norris doing a keg stand with a group of nuns. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, if you think this is funny, hit the like button and also subscribe. This is a new format I'm doing on this channel, so please subscribe if you like this video. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs. So let's do Chuck Norris doing a keg stand with a group of nuns. See what we got. No, oh no, what is this? Okay, what the fuck? Alright, that doesn't make a whole lot of sense. What's with the breasts? What the fuck? What am I looking at? What's going on down here? Oh my goodness. Alright, okay. I guess a group means 5 in particular. That's funny. Oh no, there's a 7, and he's looking like Jesus. Look at his arms suspiciously splayed apart. Oh my goodness, that's so funny. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, how about this one? Mark Cuban at the customer service desk returning the Dallas Mavericks. Oh no. Oh, the safety system. Huh. Why is that? Why did we get that? I gotta find out which word triggered it here. Yeah, it's Mark Cuban. Darn. So one would just say a rich person. Wow, they got me. They got me with the safety and the trust and safety systems got me. Okay. It's like, I would like to return my Dallas Mavericks, please. What the heck is in his hand? Okay, that's weird. Yep. Oh, is this, they're wearing a Dallas Mavericks color uniform? Yeah, that's what the blue is. Please give me back my money. Okay, here's one. A crowd of pianos watching a human get played by a piano. So this is like a on stage. Maybe we'll add on stage there. Let's hope it understands what I mean. I don't even think I explained it all that well. Alright, I have another idea for one. Okay. No, it's just a person playing a piano. Interesting. Another person playing a piano. Oh, okay. Alright then. Okay. Yeah, I don't think it really understood what I meant there. Let's do this one. Let's do a pigeon sitting on a bench feeding an old man seed. Okay, it's an old man feeding a pigeon seed. Yeah, I think I'm literally too insane. It's just an old man and a pigeon on a bench. I mean, pretty good. I just don't think it's gotten to the level of insanity. You have to already start with something crazy, like Chuck Norris kissing a nun. You know, you have to start with a topic that's already like somewhat crazy. Oh, safety system. How about Chuck Norris dressed as a nun? Or I could say punching. How about punching a nun? Let's see if that works. No, it cannot. It's dressed as a nun, it is. Waiting. Come on, hurry up. Chuck Norris dressed as a nun. 5 images. I don't know why it's so funny. That doesn't look like Chuck Norris. I think it's melded the faces too much. Throwing gang signs. Why does he only have 4 fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. Alright guys, that's enough. My face hurts. Thank you so much for watching. If you got anything out of this, hit the like button, hit the subscribe. Please hit the subscribe. Tell me in the comments below what searches you'd like me to do and I'll make a video on it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.